what's happening here? Who are all of you?
We are the youth from the Marian Youth Group of Our Lady of Egypt Church, Kadina.
Oh, that's wonderful. But what brings you here today, glowing with energy?
We're here to perform for these parents.
How lovely. But usually this space is reserved for the Sunday school students, you know?
Well, that's true. But you can see these amazing people here. They're our parents too. And we'd love to perform for them.
Well, when you put it that way, how can I say no to such energy and joy?
I can't wait to dance.
Of course, you're most welcome. But wait, don't perform here. The stage is all yours. Shine out there.
Yes, we definitely will come. Thank you.
And just when you thought the energy couldn't go any higher, it's time to turn things up a notch. Up next, we have our dynamic youth group hitting the stage with a powerful dance performance set to gospel songs. These young dancers are here to remind us that worship isn't just in words, it's in rhythm, movement, and the joy we bring to it. Let's cheer them on with a big round of applause as they take the stage.
Hi parents! I'm Janelle and I'm here from the Marian Youth Group. Yes, Auntie Mary's neighbor. Okay guys, so we're here to perform something really special for you. Are you ready? Okay, so we are not here to perform for you, but we are here to perform with you. So I need all of you to stand up, please. Can I see everyone stand up? You can come out of your place, push your chairs away, because it's time for you all to dance. Everyone, you can come out of your place so that you all can dance freely. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's start.
कचरे की जिंदगी जिया था मुर्दे that God is always in our hearts. He is always with us and He forgives us for all our sins. So let us praise and thank God and take this next hymn, Dil Mein Ja Mein. दिल में ऐसे बस गए, जिंदगी भर के लिए राज बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, पाप मेरे श्राप मेरे चलते बन गए। हे तुम दिल में ऐसे बस गए, जिंदगी भर के लिए राज बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, पाप मेरे श्राप मेरे चलते बन गए। दिल में जाने, होठों पे आंखों में तू है। दिल में जाने, होठों पे आंखों में तू है। तो बोलो। दिल में जाने, होठों पे आंखों में तू है। दिल में जाने, होठों पे आंखों में तू है। डर के मैं जो जी रहा था, डर से मुझको यीशु ने खींच निकाला। जंजीरों में जो झगड़ा हुआ था, तोड़ कर उनको आजाद है किया। हे डर के मैं जो जी रहा था, डर से मुझको यीशु ने खींच निकाला। जंजीरों में जो झगड़ा हुआ था, तोड़ कर उनको आजाद है किया। दिल में ऐसे बस गए, जिंदगी भर के लिए राज बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, पाप मेरे श्राप मेरे चलते बन गए। ये दिल में जाने, होठों पे आंखों में तू है। दिल में जाने, होठों पे आंखों में तू है। दिल में आंखों में तू है। होठों पे आंखों में तू है। Okay, now before we take the final song, we want everyone, all those who are standing at the back, to come forward. We have a little space here. Those who can, please come forward for the final song. This song, we want Father Cliffy also to come for this song.
Father
Everyone.
Cliffy, please come on the stage.
This song is a very powerful song. Do everyone believe that our God is an awesome God and He reigns forever and ever? Yes! Can't hear you all? So join us as we take our final song. For this, I will teach you the actions. Everyone look at Jonel and the team. So we will start with Whoa. Whoa. Then it starts as our God will reign forever. Awesome God forever. Our God will reign forevermore. We stand as one together. Come on, hold your neighbor. We stand as one together. Our God will reign forever. Our God will reign forevermore. Come on, let's do it with the beats. Come on. He's the King of Pride.
What an incredible burst of energy. Our youth dancers truly showed us that worship isn't just something we say, it's something we feel and move to. From start to finish, that performance was packed with spirit, rhythm, and passion. Let's give them one more big round of applause for dancing their hearts out and lifting our spirits in the process.
While we catch our breath from all the clapping, here's one more riddle for you.
What belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do? Yes, the answer is your name. Round of applause for the people who said your name.
And we bet every parent here has a dozen of ways of calling us. Full name when we're in trouble, nickname when we're cute, and beta when they need something from us.
And now, get ready for something that's going to hit all the right notes. Literally.